Alright guys, welcome back. So let's create our brand new YouTube channel right from the Gmail we created in the previous lesson. So what we do, we simply go to our browser, and then the first thing is that we search for youtube.com. Then we are prompted to sign in. By the time you just sign in, you can see that we are prompted to sign in. So once we sign in, we can come to our profile and then click on create channel, and then we have all of this. So we can create our channel by saying, of course, this is available. So our handle has to be unique. Of course, the name of your channel can be any name, but your handle has to be unique. So we have our YouTube channel to be the digital workspace, and then we have our handle to be this, and then we simply click on create channel. Of course, these are temporary. You can of course modify this later in the future if you so wish. And then we have our channel brand new. Do some, like I said, we can do some customization by going to YouTube Studio. Click on YouTube Studio, and then say continue, and then we have all of this. We have 0 subscribers and all of that. So let's do some setting now. One of the very first things that we have to say, we have this our dashboard. We go to content. We don't have any content already. Analytic, nothing to display for now. And then community, we don't have anything. Subtitle, copyright, and all of that. We can simply go to settings. One of the very first things that you should do, we have our currency to be this, and then we come to channel setting. You can look at the country, but we can come here. This is very important. You simply come to the feature eligibility. This is the very first place that you should go to. You simply come here, and then we need to of course verify our channel with a phone number so that we can have access to advanced YouTube features. For example, you want to upload video that are more than 15 minutes, custom thumbnail, live streaming, and all of that. So simply have to enable these two options. Very important. So we simply click on this, and then we want to enable it by verifying our phone number. So we simply put our phone number to verify country Nigeria. Then we simply put our phone number. Click on next. Then we put in the code. All right, our phone number is verified. I'm done with that. I'm going to close out, and then I'll go back to, you can see that this is enabled. So we can have our ID. We can of course upload our ID. Out of these 3, we only need 1, so we can just look for a valid ID and upload to our channel. We are going to come back to that later. Then we can also come to this advanced setting. We have our audience, and then you may need to specify that is your channel, that you're creating content for kids or not. Of course, you may need to select. We have this. So if you are not creating content for kids, you can simply pick this. But if you want to review, if you want to upload video and you want to review it, you can just pick this. Say I want to review this setting for every video. But if you know that your content is not meant for kids, simply click on this, and then we are good to go. And then all of these you can review when you want to, when you're uploading your video, or you can come back to them later. So I'm going to click on save, and the settings has been saved. Go back to our settings. I say in settings, we're done with channel. We have the basic. We can select our country, Nigeria. We can put in our keywords. All of this, we can do all of this later. Default, we can have our titles, description, visibility, maybe public, or you can of course review all of this later. And then we have the advanced setting. You can also review all of this later as you upload your video. Then permission, this is the owner of your channel. You may want to add others, invite others, but for now you can just leave that. Community moderation, you know that your content is going to, of course, cause a lot of comment. You can, do all of this and modify it the way you want. User management, go through the channel, and then all of this. So we have the general to be all of this. So another thing that we can do is that we can come to customization the channel. I'll close this. Come to channel customization. We need to upload a YouTube banner, home banner, of course, the way it's going to be shown here. Also, you need a profile picture. Then this is the name of your channel. This is your handle, and then you can add a description. You can add, this is your channel URL. If you paste this on Google now, just paste this. I'm going to say that will take you to immediately to that channel that have just been created, but we don't have anything on that channel yet. So this is your channel URL. You can add external link, and then you can of course add an email address. You may want to add an email address that can be displayed publicly, which people can use to contact you on YouTube. So you can go on, add an email address, and then also you can add a watermark, that will appear on your every video. So all of this customization you need to do. You can come to audio library, and then you see all of the music that you can use without having to have copyright issues on YouTube. You can just pick any of this sound, download it, and use it in your content. You're not going to have any issue as regarding copyright. And then you can end all of this. When you are eligible, you'll be notified. You will need right now we have 0 subscribers. We don't have any watch hour. We don't have anything here. But I'll show you that in very little time, all of this data will come up in all of these places. So basically, this is all that we need to do. Alright, welcome back. So let me show you how the channel actually looked like after adding some features. Right now I now have, for example, you can see, as you can see, I now have 8 subscribers from the time I'm making this video, and then I've added all of the settings. You can see how the dashboard actually look like. You can see some of the content I've posted about just a video, just to text, and then I can go to settings and see everything that I will have there. So I can go to settings and actually see what my channel is like. You can see the channel. I've added the country and some keywords. I've set all of this, and I can review some when I'm making my videos, when I'm uploading my videos. The feature eligibility, I've actually enabled all of that. I've verified my phone number and added an ID, so my channel now have access to all the YouTube advanced features. So I've done all of the setting that needs to be done. And then if we come to if I close the, let me close the, and then if we come to customization, you see that I've actually added a YouTube banner. I've added a logo. At least for now, I have my channel name, I have the handle, and then I have some description about what my channel is all about. I've added all of that, and then I now have, this is my channel URL, and then I have an email address added, which way people can use that to contact me. So if I just click copy this URL now, and then you paste it here, you see what the channel, you can see the channel at a glance. What the channel, see, I've added this banner. At least for now, I may decide to change this later. I have a logo, I have a description, and you can see what the channel is all about. If you go through this description, you see all of that and all of that. So this is basically how you can create a standard YouTube channel, and I hope that in the future I'll be able to grow this channel and monetize it with your help. Thank you so much. If you have learned anything in this lesson, come on, give me a thumbs up. Thank you.